Yes. This is part 2 of the... Oh my god. Nothing's left but all piece of shit.
Yeah.
These are a piece of shit.
This is how you waste
T-Mobile.
a T-Mobile phone that sucks.
Yeah. Oh,
We still have another tool for destroying.
now we are going to use the axe.
The Terror Blade. Get out of there, it's gonna blow!
Oh my god, nothing's left. Use the axe, bro. Not that, not like that. That. Oh, it cut into pieces.
It is split.
Let me borrow that axe. Let me borrow.
Wait, you better split this in two.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
Still
Look
alive.
what we have here. It's an
LCD.
LCD.
Oh, let me do the job. Get out of there. Damn!
It's my turn. Yeah, baby.
Cut in two pieces.
Oh, oh shit. No, it's my turn.
Tawa yan, tawa yan. And that's our movie. Our clip.
Yeah.
Yes.